Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start a BMW i3. First, gather your essential tools, including a good set of jumper cables and a reliable donor vehicle. Ensure both cars are completely turned off in position so they are not touching each other. The i3's 12-volt battery is conveniently located in the front trunk, often found under a panel on the passenger side. Safety is paramount, so always proceed with caution during this process. Now let's connect the cables. First, attach one red positive clamp to your i3's positive battery terminal. Then, connect the other red clamp to the donor vehicle's positive battery terminal. Next, secure one black negative clamp to the donor car's negative battery terminal. Finally, connect the remaining black clamp to a bare metal grounding point on your i3's chassis, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, start the donor vehicle's engine. Allow it to run for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. This provides a small, crucial charge to your i3's 12-volt battery. After this brief charging period, attempt to start your BMW i3 as you normally would. If it doesn't immediately start, wait about 60 seconds and try again, giving the battery a little more time to receive power. Once your i3 is running, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. First, remove the black negative clamp from your i3's chassis ground point. Then, disconnect the other black negative clamp from the donor vehicle. Next, remove the red positive clamp from the donor car's battery. Finally, detach the red positive clamp from your i3's battery. Keep your i3 running for at least 20 minutes to allow the 12-volt battery to recharge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.